Here we have a simple view of Canoe Hill, looking from roughly round about Canoe Hill back along the Tay, taking in the Perthshire Hills in the background. It's a very pretty composition, and of course it's mainly agricultural land round about there, but the rock face itself makes it quite dramatic.